We went to the skate park to change our wheels and bearings for the first time. It wasn't that hard, and you can do it too. The wheels and bearings we chose were based primarily on YouTube research. We were happy with the choices we made, although the wheels are not exactly what we expected. We've been skateboarding for about 2 years now and didn't know a thing about taking care of our boards when we started. As you can see from this 2020 footage, we would ride through dirt and puddles without knowing at all that we were ruining our bearings. We also started with completes, so we thought this would be a good step towards learning more about skateboards in general. The wheels and bearings we chose are definitely upgrades from what we'd started with, and we wanted to see the difference better components would make. We skate mostly at skate parks and parking lots and know little about the hardware we've been using for the past 2 years. For wheels, we ended up going with 52mm Bones ATF Filmers. For bearings, we ended up going with the Bronson G3, which included speed washers and spacers. The only tool we used was a skate tool, and we used that to loosen the nuts. We used the truck axle to remove the old bearings and install the new bearings into the wheels. In the future, we will also bring a rag and wear nitrile gloves, as the grease, old and new, can get a little messy. We'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our 232 subscribers for taking their time and energy to watch our videos. We really appreciate it, and Neo, Chase, and I can't thank you enough. The first step to changing the wheels and bearings is to remove the old wheels. We used the skate tool to loosen and remove the nut, and then we just took the wheel off. Next, we're going to assemble the new wheels with the bearings and spacer. First, Neo's going to take one of the new bearings and put it onto the trucks. He's going to take one of the new wheels, put it on the truck, apply firm pressure, pop it into place. You'll know when you've done it right. He's going to take another bearing, put it on the truck, take the spacer, also put it on the truck, take that same wheel, flip it over, plop it on, apply pressure again, and there you go. You have one wheel with the two bearings and the spacer in the middle. Now we just need to put the new wheel assembly back onto the skateboard. First thing is we're going to grab one of the new speed washers and put it onto the truck. Like Chase is doing right now. There you go, bud. Next, we'll grab the new assembled wheel and we will put it on the truck. And make sure that the side that you want showing is facing up. There you go, buddy. Next, we'll take the other new speed washer, place it on top. Take the old nut, or new nuts if you had them. You can hand tighten it to begin, like Chase is doing there. And then grab the skate tool and tighten it up. Repeat the process for the other wheels, and by the end you'll feel like a pro. Thanks for watching, and we hope you consider watching the video being suggested right now. Bye!